This week, I'm gonna become a millionaire. No, I'm probably not, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna live like one. This is a list of the most common millionaire habits that you see in these morning routine videos, and I'm gonna do them all for the next 3 days and see how it affects my productivity. Obviously, none of these have anything to do with actually making money, but I think the principle behind them is, does waking up at 5 a.m. and taking cold showers and journaling, are these things that you can use to develop a mental edge that can separate you from the 99% of people that don't do them? Or is it just a bunch of stuff that makes you seem like you're more productive than you really are? That's what I want to find out. So day one starts tomorrow. It's 5 a.m. I'm gonna make my bed and then I'm gonna do yoga. It doesn't look very cool, but that feels great. Alright, honestly, yoga is pretty underrated. I feel pretty good right now. I'm loose and limber. So the next thing to do is to do the most important work of the day first. This isn't something I'm used to. I usually like to ease myself into working throughout the day. I usually do most of my productive work at the end of the day. So this is like totally just like flipping the way that I do things. But I do like the idea of doing the hardest things that you have to do in the morning. That way you have kind of a lot of freedom throughout the day. So yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. It's too early for me to want to talk right now, but I'm gonna work for the next hour, 2 hours, and hopefully get a lot done. Alright, I'm at the gym now. I usually work out in the morning, but not this early. It's like 7 a.m. But yeah, I feel good. I feel awake. Starting today off pretty productive, so can't complain. Alright, so let's get to the workout. I just did about 20 minutes in the sauna, and now I'm gonna do a cold shower, which I'm the least excited for out of anything in this challenge. Gotta do it, I guess. That was good. I was in there for like 2 hours, going hard in the paint. But yeah, honestly, I feel good. I'm like wide awake. Usually this is around the time that I start my day. To have all that stuff done already, and I have only thing I have to do ahead of me for the rest of the day is just work and keep focused. Feel good. I give this routine a thumbs up so far, except for the cold shower. Not great, but it did wake me up a lot, and now I feel like a Navy SEAL almost.
Poopy pants mentality.
So next thing that we're gonna do is journal. So the way that I'm going to journal, and the way that I've seen a lot of other successful and productive people journal, is I'm just going to answer 3 questions that I can reflect on at the end of the day to see if I'm making any progress, and it's kind of just like holding yourself accountable. And the 3 main questions that I ask are, number 1, what am I grateful for today? Number 2, what is the single most important thing that I can do today? And number 3 is, how will I deal with distractions when they arise? So I'm going to answer these 3 questions in the morning every single day for the next 3 days and see if I'm actually holding myself to do the things that I'm saying I'm doing. I'm going to write down the answers to those questions right now and move on to the next thing. Okay, last thing on the list is to read for at least 30 minutes. Apparently leaders are readers is what I've heard a lot. I got this biography about Nikola Tesla right here. I'm gonna read this for the next 30 minutes. And hopefully by the end of it, I'm a genius. Who knows, right? All right, this is a pretty tough book. It talks a lot about direct current and alternating currents and oscillators. Yeah, so that was the last habit for today. This has turned into like a 5, almost 6 hour morning routine since I started. But yeah, I'm gonna get my day actually started now and check back in at the end of the day and see how it went. All right, end of day 1. It's almost 9 o'clock. I'm about to go to bed so I can wake up at 5 tomorrow again. Not a bad day at all. I was pretty focused all day. I was not distracted a lot. I wasn't super tired or anything. Just stayed focused. So I guess you could say that the the routine worked for today. Other than it taking a while to finish all of those habits, I have to say I did really enjoy like waking up super early, finishing all those things, and then by the time you're done, you still have the whole day ahead of you. I give myself a productivity rating of 7 out of 10. About to go to bed, and we'll see you tomorrow, 5 a.m. again. Peace. Let's do this. Today is not as nice of a day as yesterday. Now I'm gonna do a 10-minute meditation with the Headspace app. Oh man, meditation is definitely not easy. It's so hard to just stay present when you have all of these thoughts flooding into your head all the time. But towards the end of it, like I just did a 10-minute one, like towards the end of it, you kind of start to get into the groove and you're a lot more relaxed and it feels really good, to be honest. That felt great. Enjoyed that a lot. I enjoyed that. All right, it's the end of day 2. Wasn't as smooth today as yesterday was. I ended up crashing at like 2 p.m. and just like taking a pretty long nap. I'm not used to waking up this early, so I think tomorrow I'm definitely gonna need some coffee to make sure that I get through the day. And yeah, I'm gonna make tomorrow the best day yet. Oh yeah, productivity score, 5 out of 10. We'll make it up tomorrow. It's day 3. I see why people do them, but I think I'm done with cold showers for now. And just like that, day 3 is over. Today was by far the best day. I'm gonna give myself a 9 out of 10 for today. Let me check my bank account, see if I'm a millionaire yet. Damn. Yeah, this is definitely an exhausting amount of things to be doing right in the beginning of the day. But I think if you were to do all of these things every single day for a year, 2 years, you can make a serious change in your life, without a doubt. Yeah, I enjoy this. This has definitely been a pretty productive past 3 days. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one, and piss on it!